Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling widgets so they appear in Notification Center. Open the date/time or swipe from the right edge, then click Edit Widgets. Once done, make sure you're signed into iCloud so data syncs across devices. You'll see available widgets grouped by app. Tap one to preview size options. Choose small, medium, or large and then add it. Repeat for 2-3 essentials. This sets the stage so adding and arranging is fast and consistent. Next, add and arrange widgets to fit your workflow. Drag a widget where you want it and use Smart Stacks to group similar widgets so you save space. Once stacked, swipe through them. Make sure to choose sizes based on information density, large for calendars, small for quick glances. You can customize content by clicking widget options or opening the host app. Once configured, lock the layout with Done. This prevents accidental moves while you work. Finally, refine and troubleshoot to complete setup. Install third-party widgets from the App Store for extra features, and then check system settings right arrow privacy to grant necessary permissions. Once done, test real-time updates. If a widget stalls, restart Notification Center or remove and re-add that widget. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud. One key tip: clear the widget cache by toggling Edit Widgets off them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.